Stop fighting your metrology software. Start engineering with it. If you work in advanced metrology or machine vision, you know the daily struggle. Building complex, multi-layered measurement recipes often means battling against rigid software, memory leaks, and black box architectures that inevitably crash when you try to scale. That we decided it was time to fix that. Introducing Uni Measurement Hub, or Unimes_Hub, a next-generation metrology recipe engine built from the ground up for absolute precision, scalability, and workflow transparency. True metrology requires complex flows. To handle this, Unimes_Hub introduces a flawless, unlimited nested architecture that synchronizes layers, pattern recognitions, measurements, and calculated metrics perfectly, whether you need 1 pattern recognition or 25. But the real magic happens at scale. We engineered a true source disk reading architecture that ensures bulletproof batch execution. By dynamically mapping file paths and actively clearing memory between patterns, we mathematically guarantee zero cross-contamination or stale memory leaks. Even if a match fails on a difficult image, the engine safely catches the error and gracefully skips ahead without triggering a fatal system crash. Furthermore, why export your images just to clean them? Unimes_Hub brings advanced AI and pre-processing directly to your workflow. You can optimize images on the fly with built-in edge image quality, EIQ, algorithms, localized denoise filters, and a dedicated neural network training engine right inside the UI. Need to isolate a complex target? Our guided SAM, Segment Anything model, engine lets you steer the AI simply by placing positive and negative points. Finally, measurements mean nothing without context. Our built-in analytics dashboard instantly generates interactive 3D topographical profiles, histograms, and trend lines so you can visualize your data without ever leaving the application. When your run finishes, the engine automatically compiles your raw data into detailed HTML and Excel reports. Experience this bulletproof metrology ecosystem today. You can download the free self-contained portable package, no installation required, directly from LVTailoring.net. Just unzip it and run it from your preferred location or a USB drive to begin your 60-day evaluation, featuring zero limits on local recipe creation and AI tools. Stop fighting your software and take control with Unimes_Hub.